The shop floor causes headaches for production manager Smith. Due to the increasing complexity, the organization of CAM programming, machine operators, and material supply can only be managed with a very high effort. So how could Mr. Smith solve the problem and bring all the CAM, machining, and purchasing departments under one roof? A manufacturing execution system, MES for short, enables agile planning and control of all departments involved in the manufacturing processes. And this is how it works. New orders are planned with all the necessary work steps in Hummingbird MES. Via team administration, Mr. Smith can see exactly how busy his employees in the CAM department are, and which employees he can assign new tasks to. Through the Hummingbird integration in hyperMILL, the programmer now gets all the necessary information he needs for programming. After programming is complete, the CAM data is passed back to the MES. Hummingbird now ensures that the right data is available on the shop floor at the right time. Thanks to the electronic job ticket, NC data and tool information are now available at the machine. The machine operator can start the job. The processing status of each job is automatically visible in Hummingbird in real time. Due to the agile planning and process automation between Hummingbird and hyperMILL, all departments in the company benefit from the MES solution. Projects are now completed stress-free and on time. Thanks to the planning and control with Hummingbird MES, as well as the perfect integration with hyperMILL, Mr. Smith can now plan and control all process flows accurately and without headaches.